Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Comes to us with a clogged boiler and it was not finishing the shot. It was struggling when you try to pull a hot water even or when you try to pull a shot, and weak water. So when I tested, I found like I need to unclog that boiler, which is that one we call it pancake boiler. And after that, I noticed the pump also struggling. So, but when I start repairing, after I replaced the pump, I noticed nothing changed. It was like not the pump, it was this flow meter, this one, and the OPV, this one. These are from both sides on the pump. This one under before and this is after. So I put back the old pump and I replaced these two, and I descaled the machine multiple times after I unclogged the boiler. So let's go ahead, test it and see how it works. I like always to test it before without the coffee. So let's look at how the flow coming out from the brew head. There you go. This is in the beginning kind of pre-infusion, but after that it's supposed to, yep, that works perfect. And the hot water, that works great too. You see the steaming. Steaming great, so all the functions works perfect. But I also like to espresso shot in it. I do want to recalibrate anything, I just like stop it manually on the doll, but like, because I don't know how the customer like it, but they can easily recalibrate their machine, but I just can do manually. I stop the grinder, just push it again, get this amount of coffee. So this is perfect. Look what we got here. It's thick crema. It's really great shot actually from this Breville. So that's all the machine. Everything in the machine functioning perfect. No any issues anymore. Thank you for watching.